Hey Jungle Fam, I came out here on a solo trip to explore something cool, but now I'm stuck. It's freezing, like really freezing. That looks like a cave. Might be shelter if I can get there in time. This storm's right behind me, no stopping now. Need cover, fast. These tracks, they're not mine. Something else is out here, not just weather. No cave, no problem. I'll build it myself. Cold's tough, but I'm tougher. One log, then the next. I'll build a wall between me and the cold. Shelter's done. I made it. Cold tried, but the forest taught me to build. If you want to see more wild snow adventures, hit that subscribe button. BigfootModeX, signing off from the frost.